Alexa, what's the latest news?
Here's your flash briefing. From TechCrunch, here are the latest news. Unofficial writes, Golden Ventures has a new pot of new capital, $57 million, to invest largely in Canada. Golden Ventures, a seed-stage outfit with offices in Toronto and Waterloo, has closed its third and newest fund with $57.5 million, $72 million in Canadian dollars, up from the roughly $38 million, $50 million Canadian, that it raised for its second fund in 2014. Cyan Bannister writes, We love augmented reality, but let's fix things that could become big problems. Augmented reality, AR, is still in its infancy and has a very promising youth and adulthood ahead. It has already become one of the most exciting, dynamic, and pervasive technologies ever developed. Every day someone is creating a novel way to reshape the real world with a new digital innovation. Danny Crichton writes, Technical ignorance is not leadership. There is a peculiar pattern that I have noticed among elites in the United States outside Silicon Valley, which is the almost boastful ignorance of technology. As my colleague John Sheever pointed out today, you can see that ignorance among congressmen throughout the whole Facebook/Cambridge Analytica saga. Our president has rarely sent an email, and seems to confine his mobile phone activities to Twitter. One senior policymaker told me a few months ago that she doesn't know how to turn on her computer. Steve O'Hare writes, Daniel Jones is said to have left Global Founders Capital to raise his own fund. Global Founders Capital, the venture capital arm of Rocket Internet, has seen a number of its London investment team leave over the last couple of years, but the most significant departure may have only just happened. Danny Crichton writes, Enterprise wasn't ready for blockchain, so Manifold brought its ledger to consumers instead. While the cryptocurrency craze last year brought more consumer attention to blockchain technology, the future of this movement will be in the enterprise. Blockchain's true potential is its ability to replace the archaic and centralized infrastructure that powers everything from payments to land registries with digital-first, decentralized, and trusted networks of data. Thanks for listening to TechCrunch. Come back again in an hour for more tech news. Have a nice day. That's all from your flash briefing.